Ay mga kabola, last night may pinunta kaming restaurant sa Robinsons, Manila. Sa sobrang sarap, babalik na naman kami for lunch ngayon. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Alamin niyo kung ano to.
Hi to all the viewers of Coach Mar.
Robinsons, Manila, So, kung matagal na kayo hindi nakakapunta dito sa Robinsons, Manila, maganda na siya. Malaki na siya. Malamig ang aircon dito, so tamang-tama yung summer. Pwedeng tumambay dito. Saka marami ring restaurants. Lakad na kami punta ron sa number 1. Then, number 1 what? Number 1. Basta yun, yung hot pot. Number 1, Malatang pala guys. Excited na tong sama ko. So, ano siya? Number 1, Malatang. So, ikot tayo sa restaurant. Number 1, Malatang. Again, it's an Australian hot pot chain. Ito yung veggie selection nila. So, water spinach, Chinese kangkong, whatever, lettuce. So, if you want na mga healthy, pwede dyan. And then, mga mushroom. Masarap yan sa soup. Mga mushroom. Then, yung next area, sa noodles, no? So, they have all the noodles you want. May nakita ko rito kahapon. Ito, Japanese ramen. So, pag may nagay sa ramen, pwede yan. But they also have yung mga fresh Thai noodles, rice noodles. So, whatever you want, meron yan, no? And then the balls or yung street food. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Mga balls, no? So, jade ball, mushroom ball, meat ball, salmon ball. Yan, masarap lahat ng soup yan, no? So, last night, yan yung mga kinuha ko. Puro seafood yung kinuha ko last night. No? But today, I think I'll have the meats naman, which is our next section. No? So marami pa rin mga seafood, mga clams, yan, scallops. But you have the beef, beef chashu, marinated beef, chicken, and pork. No? Right. So this is where you get your bowl. This is an example of a bowl. No? This gentleman is getting his bowl. So he's trying to weigh his options literally because pag masyadong malaki yung marami yung ingredients, mas mahal. So pacing siya dyan. So what will you get today? What's your ingredients today?
Siguro konting noodles lang, tas meat.
Yung experience nito last night, yung noodles, nag-expand. So one tip dito, kontihan nyo yung noodles na mag-expand. And another tip, you can share bowls. So for example, gusto niya soup siya, and yung kasama mo, rice or dry steer, hati na lang kayo para you can get the best of both worlds. So, this is how you order, no? So choose ingredients, weigh your bowl. Ito, para wini-weigh nila yung bowl. That's how you weigh the bowl, no? And then 1.3 pesos nga per gram. Choose your broth. Marami siya. Ito yung recommended. No? This is their own broth, the classic Malatang. Masarap talaga siya. Last night, I had laksa. Pero ang recommended ito talaga. And others, no? Kung ayaw nyo naman ng sabaw, pwedeng dry steer. Spice level, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, ito nga, only drinks. So that's how you choose your food here. And kukuha na ako kasi gutom na ako. So this is my bowl. Yan natin dito. Dry stir. So my bowl is 300 grams. 390. Maybe. 390. So pala you can make your own sauce. Can you show this? You can make your own sauce. Chili oil, sesame oil, garlic. So ito, yung just put some ice. This is refillable. No? So just put some ice. And house blend iced tea. Okay, then we go back. So this will beep when your order is ready.
A few moments later.
I'm waiting for my bowl. Ito nga. Pag nag-beep to, it's ready na. Ayan. Beeping na. Ito na yung order natin, dry steer. So, di siya soup-based, no? Kasi last night ka nag-soup tayo. So, akala nyo lang, kukunti yan, pero madami yan. Ito yung soup-based naman, no? So, hati rin kami dito. So, the best really is to share your bowl. Kasi malaki talaga siya, no? So, ang lesson namin from yesterday, share bowls. Dapat may may hot pot, and may dry pot. Na-try ko na yung bowl ko today. Yung soup, yung number 1, malatang. Malasa talaga. Masarap talaga siya. I'll try it again. Ibang klase yung very distinct yung taste. Tapos itong dry steer. Kung familiar kayo sa mga Singapore na char siu, ganun yung lasa. Yung paggagawa na pagkaluto. Parehong pareho. So, masarap. Masarap siya. Tapos yung mga soup bowl nga, malasa talaga siya. Again, yesterday, naglaksa ako ngayon. Yung number 1, house specialty number 1, malatang. So, I encourage you guys to come over, experience nyo to kasi kakaiba talaga siya. I've been to a lot of hot pots, yung mga ramen, ganyan. So, iba talaga to. Again, just manage your bowl, share your bowl. The fun is in the sharing. And huwag masyadong gigil sa pagkuha ng ingredients. Kasi you have to pay for it naman after when you get it. So, manage nyo lang yung yung bowl nyo. And enjoy the place. Enjoy the food. Punta na kayo dito. Number 1, Malatang, Robinsons, Manila.